Hi, I'm Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today, in this video, we're going to do this. Very simple and easy to do camera cover transition. So it's actually pretty simple to do. I have clip 1 and I have clip 2. One thing you want to do is you want to make sure that those clips are relatively lined up so that it seems smooth. And then also you want to make sure that the hand when it comes up is as smooth and as natural as possible, right? So then you drag your clip 1 in, okay, to your timeline. I'm going to use this little slider to give myself some expansion here, and I'm just going to slide down the clip until the hand comes up. See how it comes up? And I'm going to just go to the pinnacle of that. So as close as it gets, and that looks like it. And then I'll just use my trimmer to trim that off. And then I'll go to clip 2. And again, it's going to start with the hand coming forward. As soon as it gets to the pinnacle of that, which seems to be about right there, then you'll trim that off. And then you will just butt them up against each other. And you'll have just like that. And it's really that easy. I'm Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. If you have any questions or feedback, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. You know, it is cold out here. Probably should have saved this one for a warmer day. Very easy. Oh, let me do that one more time. Here we go. Very easy to do. Oh, dang. One more time. Here we go. I'm going to do it. I'm going to get it. I'm Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. One more time. I'm Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. No, that's not how you do it. One more time. I'm Jay Haynes for the Film Sensei YouTube channel. If you have any questions or feedback, please put them in the comments. Oh, man. Again. Whew, that was rough. Rough.